Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Learn Chinese. Yes, today I'm going to teaching you about Chinese vocabularies. As you know, in this channel I will upload video talk about Chinese. So before the beginning, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to click like. Now let's start read together. The first word is Gong Chua. Gong chua, gong chua, gong chua. It means work or a job. The next word is go, 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 go. It means dog. The next word is 汉语 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 It means Chinese language. The next word is 好 好 好 It means good. The next word is 好 how it means number. The next word is her it means to drink. The next word is 很 It means worry or quiet. The next word is 和 It means with or and. The next word is 后面 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 It means back or behind. The next word is 回 回 回 回 It means to return or to reply. The next word is 会 会 会 会 It means know how to. The next word is 挤 挤 挤 挤 It means how many. The next word is 加 加 加 加 It means family or home. The next word is 叫 叫 叫 It means to be called. The next word is 今天 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 It means today. Yes, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click like. If you're not yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to get more new knowledge every day about Chinese vocabularies. Thank you. See you next video. Goodbye.